Welcome back. Welcome back. Now, Canva 4 gives you access to design folders. That means then that what you can do is you can take your existing design and store it in a folder for later use. So what we can do here is we can create a separate folder. We can give that folder a name, and we can give our team members access. We can give team access to the folder, or we can give access to specific individuals. So in this case, what we can do is we can say that our entire team can edit what's in this folder. We can then click Create and Share Folder. In order to utilize it, what we would do is make sure that we saved our images or designs with a name. We can then take that image, we can then move it into the folder that we just created by dragging and dropping it into the folder. This image will then be part of the folder that we created. Now, the individual that you are sharing the folder with, they'll need to then open that new folder inside of Canva. That folder then will be part of their folders, and it'll be part of their shared folders also. They'll be able then to get access to the image in order to work with it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.